all juiced up. Just saw the signpost said NY 55 kilometers, New York 55. Woohoo! And I'm listening, for those who care, I'm listening to Paradise City from Guns N' Roses. Go the Gunners! Apologies for so many different camera angles, so many different outfits. I'm just trying to get this video out so that you can see what I've done thus far. At the beginning of the trip, it wasn't all beer and Skittles, as you'll see, and there was a bit of a challenge as well. And let's just check out the challenge right at the end. Let's have the fun bit about the flying, Wilpena Pound, Flinders Ranges, all the yummy bits, and right at the end, I'll show you a little bit of hardship that I've had, but hey, it's an adventure. As you can see, right along the entire trip, the colours of the clouds against the extremely blue sky, I've not seen clouds like that anywhere. And then the following morning headed off on a flight over Wilpena Pound. If you're going to Wilpena Pound, I would strongly recommend you do this trip. I'll try not to talk too much over the actual flight, but it really is something worth investing in.
Wilpena traffic, Whiskey Pride, November, Cessna 206 is lining up and rolling runway 09 for a local scenic Wilpena. Like I said, along the way I'll be letting you know what we're seeing and everything, of course.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
You know, if you want to ask questions, you can. Those videos, anything as you want. There's no restriction on that. Now the word Wilpena means cupped hands or outstretched fingers. The Aboriginal word is Ikura, meaning meeting place. Most famous spot in the Flinders Ranges to take a photo. In fact, I think it's pretty much a legal requirement at this point. I'll float up and over the bump.
Oh.
And let it settle there.
It's 10 to 8 in the morning and I feel as though I've put in a day's work already. Thanks to Mark on the flight across the Wilpena Pound. Absolutely extraordinary. Heavily recommend anybody get the opportunity, get on that plane and check it out. Just keeping my eyes out for kangaroos, various animals. Once again, another beautiful day in Wilpena Pound. brekkie time. Yum. I'm so hungry. Well, I'm probably looking a little bit unkempt from all my travelling in the last few days. I'm camped in a beautiful little place called Wilpena Resort, or Wilpena Pound, and that's in the Flinders Ranges. How green is that grass? The giggling and everything is from the swimming pool over there. Some kids are jumping around, having a bit of a splash. Just up the road, round the corner, talking to my nephew on the phone, and I heard a squeaking sound. I thought, that doesn't sound right. Stopped the car, gave the back wheels of the wheels of the caravan a shake. Didn't look right. Looked as though maybe it was a wheel bearing. Contacted NRMA. They turned up, took it to a mechanic, and this is what they found. Oh, BTW. It's actually the wheel bearings are shot. Could have fallen off any time. Not good. Not good.
I've got two actually.
That was cool.
I'll get him for you, mate. So you
That's good.
don't have to keep cleaning your hands.
And that's my trip into the Flinders Ranges. Love Wilpena Pound. And there's even more. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see any more, subscribe. And if you want to be notified each time one pops up, hit the bing bell button. Otherwise, I'll see you somewhere on my big lap of Australia. Thanks for watching.